Okay, here's a demo on replacing a DFF temperature sensor and DFF Danby Fridge thermal cutoff. So I already replaced the thermal sensor, which is located in here. If your apartment size freezer is not, or ref and freezer is not freezing up, or there's a problem with its temperature, so this is the one to be replaced. This is the temperature sensor, which can be bought at Reliable Parts for just only $7.29. And just to make sure everything will be work fine, here, I don't know if you can see it, guys, but I'm going to replace also the thermal cutoff of Danby Fridge with a freezer. So here it is, the thermal cutoff, which is located here. If you just remove the panel, the front panel of your freezer, and that will be fixed, and that will save you a lot of money. So here it is, it's located here. I don't know if you can focus it on the camera, but this is the thermal cutoff, which is easy to be replaced. Here it is, and here's the thermal cutoff. So yeah, that's it. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. That will save you a lot of money, and for that repair technician to just visit your home and check the fridge, and they will charge you what, 100 to 150 bucks per visit without the parts. So this will save you a lot of money, and you can buy this one also at the Reliable Parts, which is only $14.71. So here it is. If you don't believe me, it just only cost me $23.10. $23.10. So yeah, thank you so much. Hit the like and subscribe.